Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. These are dies that I purchased from AliExpress. So let's get started. So the first one is this little trophy die, and it has the little decorative things for a trophy, the number 1, 2, and 3. And I cut it out with gold and silver, and this is what it looks like. I think it's really cute. Cut out, no problem whatsoever. And then there's the little number 1 in white. So that's that die. And then I've seen this on videos. A lot of crafters are picking up this cassette die, and I really wanted this one to try it out. And it cuts out really nice. Here's one of the cassettes. Of course, I don't recall them ever having cassettes this color, but I thought they would be fun. This is my favorite because these are my favorite colors. And then I picked up this little door die. Comes with these mini pieces, and it has the dimension to have the door design, and then I think this is called some kind of plate. I can't remember. And then the little doorknob. Super cute. Thought this would be really nice on a card at Christmas time, maybe with a little baby wreath on it. We'll see. Then I picked up some uppercase alphabet, and they have like a wood grain design in them. This is how they look. It's really textured looking. So that's that. And then I picked up this floral die, and it's super layered. I mean, it has a lot of layers in here. And I guess I was lazy that day. I didn't complete them all, but I did a few. And you can see you would have a really beautiful card. I mean, a flower to put on a card to make it beautiful. There you go. And then I have this Rosette die, and it has 3 different toppers that you can put on the edge, I guess, of the rosette. Now this one I kind of had issues with. It cut out okay, but I don't know, my fingers and my hands, they just don't have the strength that they used to, and this was a little taxing doing the folding of this, but it did cut out pretty well, and I didn't finish it. And then last but not least is this really beautiful 5x4 inch butterfly, and I really like butterflies. This is really pretty and cut out beautifully. And then I made a card front, and if you watched, I think, my last video, I said I wasn't going to make full cards anymore until I needed them, and when needed to use them. So I just make the card front. This will be a lot easier for me to store. And then I have the for the inside also. And so then I just cut the butterfly in half because it's so big, and then I layered it up with the other half, and so it kind of looks dimensional. And then I had this stamp set. I think it's the waffle flower, and then I used some enamel dots and some paper from a stash. So that's it. So that's the haul. And with my AliExpress haul, I like to have a giveaway. So I will be passing along this Rosette die for someone else to try. This leaf die that I purchased a while back. It's very textural. Is that the right word? I think so. This little girl, I did cut her out on the previous video. Cuts out beautifully. These cute little bunnies. Let me open them up super quick here. And you get the bunnies, and then the layering pieces for their ears. So I will be passing these along to someone else to give them a try. Also, I will be passing, the flower die too. So if you're interested in winning these, just indicate below that you want to be included in the drawing. You have to be a current subscriber and over 18 years old, or 18 years old and older. I'll pull the winner on Friday, this Friday. So just let me know below if you're interested, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.